Give respect and praise to the King of King Will. You know the mixer. Respect to one is the soulmedic. As who does the sing.
Make some noise for Charlie. Yeah, we love it, bad people. So, I've been on this Underground Ohana tour. It's been a blessing to be with some hip-hop legends and be around good people, good vibes. We're off to Oahu next Friday. But tonight we are here to enjoy the time of Mr. DJ Shandy, the big bad Lionheart Action Syndicate. Anytime you see DJ Shandy play, want to support him because it's fun. Yeah, yeah, yeah. With me, Shandy. Then they hate you, y'all can show them all love. And then they will narrate you, you know, wind up in no rush. Cause you can't please everyone, and it's best be find your one. That's how they are from my time to go. The Buddha ain't don't let them want to. Go take a number and go get in line. You not break them and I still love you. We bad mind, you know, waste no time. Make sure, hey, don't let them want to. Go take a number and go get in line. You not break them and I still love you. Hey, 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 see, you're scared of the dance floor, what one right there. You think that somebody had a blasted night there. It's like jumpies are running around and everything gets scared. May I tell you that nothing free, fighting for me right there. Come closer, come a little closer. Man there, and I'll go on you like no toaster. See me at the host, but I give thanks unto Jai. Him and the mosa. He comes so coming just a little bit closer. Man, I've been telling yes, we do that just what we supposed to. Host this year session, yes, me I go coast from a ghost to coast. You don't know, we are the most, yeah. Easy up from top, Sean. Yes, same tune. Yeah, so this here tune is all about ceasing the bad mind, shit talking and all that bullshit, for real, stop that. All the backbiting competition is sure, will return. Them they will hate you, y'all been show them all love. And them they will narrate you, you know me, wind up in no rush. Cause you can't please everyone, and it's best be find your one. That's how they are from my time they go. They coulda hate or make them want to. Go take a number and go get in line. You not rate me, man, I still love you. With bad mind, me no waste no time. They try hate or let them want to. Go take a number and go get in line. You not rate me, man, I still love you. With bad mind, me no waste no time. Well, I'll lose good news cause it promotes me music. Broadcast me once it comes to yesterday, don't use it. Talk some bad mind hatred, that I useless. In 7 years, the right the truth. When the truth hits it in bad, all the problem time from when they used it. Travel down the line, be the time, be the choices. Open up your mind, we not buy two excuses. Unity, and the goal is the loses. Who the hate on let them want to. For real. Because what type of shit talking gonna do anyway? You know? Perpetuate some more negativity. Yeah, for real. Put an obscenity. Yeah. Let me give thanks to the divinity that lie in each and every one of us, right? Each of us is the presence of the Most High God. So do not think that your brother isn't. It's because he pissed you off, you know? For real. It's a reflection of yourself. And go and deal with your people accordingly. Speaking truth and honesty, you know. Return. Them they hate you, got me. Show them all. And them they will narrate you, you know me. Wind up in no rush. Cause you can't please everyone. And it's best in my one. That's how they are from a time to go. Easy, tough Shandy. Same tune from top, same tune. Want to introduce you.